Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog Inspiring Bo. Today I would like to talk to you about the importance of exercise in preventing heart disease and heart attacks. Most importantly, I want to talk to you about the importance of doing cardio exercise on a regular basis. The reason why cardio exercise is very important in preventing heart disease is because of the many benefits that it provides. With cardio exercise, you're increasing your heart rate. And this is very important because when you are increasing your heart rate during exercise, you are actually putting a workload on your heart. And when you put a workload on your heart, the muscles of the heart become stronger. The same way as if you are exercising your biceps, when you start lifting heavier, the muscles in your biceps become stronger and you are able to lift heavier things, and you're able to do more activities with your hands. In the same way, when the muscles of the heart become stronger, they become more efficient. So that with every beat, the heart beats. The heart is able to pump more blood with every beat. That is, the stroke volume of the heart increases. So your heart becomes more efficient, because it doesn't need to work as much if the muscles of the heart are stronger. In this way, with every beat, the heart is pumping more blood than if you weren't doing cardio. And the other thing that happens, because the heart is pumping more blood with every beat, it doesn't have to beat as much, and therefore it can rest more between beats. So over time, what happens with cardio exercise is that the resting heart rate becomes lower. And that's what you want, because that is also an indicator of fitness. The other thing that I have always remembered through my studies in human kinetics is that the blood vessels of the heart increase in number when you're doing cardio exercise. The blood vessels in the heart are like the branches of a tree. So the branches of the tree, the number of branches in your heart will increase with time when you're exercising on a regular basis. And this is very important. The reason why this is important is because if you have a blockage in one blood vessel in your heart, if you have more blood vessels, then the heart is able to pump that blood regardless of whether one of the arteries is blocked or not. Obviously, that depends on the amount of blockage and how many blood vessels are blocked. But however, the chances, you're giving your heart more of a chance to pump the blood into your body if you have a blockage. And so, this is what is called collateral circulation. The collateral circulation of the heart increases as you get fitter, and that's what we want. The other way that we prevent heart disease is when you have cardio exercise and you're pumping blood more with over an extended period of time, the blood vessels of the heart the blood vessels in your body actually, they become more elastic. In this way, you are preventing hypertension or high blood pressure, because the more elastic the blood vessels are, the more they're going to be able to efficiently pump blood throughout your body. Now, the other way that we can prevent heart disease, or what happens to your body, is that, as I was telling you before in one of my videos, that when we are under a lot of stress, our body is always preparing us for fighting or movement. So it releases sugars and fats and other hormones into the bloodstream. So if we're exercising on a regular basis, we are using up those sugars and fats so that they are not accumulated in the blood vessels. And so if they are accumulated in the blood vessels, a blockage could happen. And then also your blood pressure could also go up. The other benefits of exercise, there's so many of them. I'm just giving you like some tidbits of information here and there that would hopefully motivate you to exercise more, especially cardio. So the other thing is that your good cholesterol, the increases. We have two types, low density lipoproteins and high density lipoproteins, and we really want to increase the amount of high density lipoproteins. And these are the good cholesterol. With time, the good cholesterol increases. And the other thing what happens is that you feel less tired when you're exercising. Even after you, in fact, after you exercise, you feel like more energized. And and this is really important because a lot of times, like when we wake up, or you're feeling blue, or you're just feeling tired, or you didn't sleep well, you don't feel like doing anything. You don't want to exercise. You just, don't want to do a lot of the activities that you normally would do because you're feeling so tired. But when we're exercising on a regular basis, the red blood cells increase, and then that means that you have more oxygen flowing throughout your body, and you will have more energy. There's so many other ways that, cardio helps with us. For example, also that our body releases the good feel hormones. And this is very important because they have the same chemical structure as the antidepressants. So why not just lift up your mood naturally without antidepressants? I mean, there's so many other benefits of exercise. And if you're walking, I think it's good. But I think that if you're walking comfortably, but you are able to push yourself some more, I think it's important that you do that, because you need to put stress on your heart so that the muscles of the heart become stronger. So if you're walking, try to start walking faster. If you can, try to break into a jog, like, half a block of jogging, half a block of walking, or start bicycling, or start swimming, anything that would increase your heart rate over a sustained period of time. For example, if you can work up to doing half an hour of cardio 3 times a week, that would be really great. And that would benefit the heart a lot. And you are preventing heart disease and heart attacks, especially when you're thinking about like collateral circulation. That will, the chances of you recovering from a heart attack too are much higher when you have an increase in the number of blood cells. So this is just briefly, I just wanted to tell you briefly about the benefits of cardio exercise in preventing heart disease. I hope that you're now motivated to go out and make sure that you're doing cardio exercise. It is just one of the components of fitness, but it is a very important component. And if you've learned something from this video and you enjoyed it, please share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a great evening. Thanks for being with me.